Hi YouTube, welcome to WesPicks. Been a while since I've done a video. Kind of been a bit wrapped up in knife making lately, which has kind of consumed me on quite a large scale. I've got orders, customers and stuff, so obviously doing something right. But I got this package from Lambda2. Check him out on Instagram, and he's also on our Facebook page, Custom Lockpick Makers. And the picks come with a certificate of authenticity. Nice little seal there. Look, he's got his Lambda2 logo in the wax stamp. As you can see, this set took him 9 hours, all handmade. So what we've got 5 rakes, 4 hooks in shrink wrap, and then he's made me these 2 beautiful aluminium handled picks, which I really like his style. They're just, you don't see many picks like it. That's so light, and the feedback, it's such positive feedback. So anyway, let's put them to the test, shall we? What we've got, I'm going to try out these because I'm really impressed with these aluminium handles. Let's see what we can get into. I've got this 1205 American lock. There's the bitting on the key, very nice. So yeah, without further ado, let's see if we can get into it. I think they're probably about 27 thousandths. Let's get this up in the air a little bit. Don't like picking at arm's reach. Two, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, like I said, I've been really into making the knives and learning all the heat treating process. And because I've worked in metal before, I was a coded welder for 10 years, and so I know a little bit. And I actually made my first knife 25 years or so ago out of an old Land Rover suspension spring. That's holding me up here. Yep. Reset. Okay, good click out of 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what's holding me up? There we go. No, got a good false set there. Jump in the gun, see. Which one's holding me up? Okay, it feels like maybe number 3. Come on, you bugger. There you go, and we're in. So that worked on that one. Should we try one of the rakes out? Got this little casp, 14540. So we'll try bottom of the keyway tension. Oh, what rake are we going to use? Oh, I like the look of that one. Let's try this little beauty, shall we? So we'll go. But I will do a video on some of my knives because some of you might be interested. We've got a big false set there. Get these off a little bit, we seem to be stuck. But yeah, these little picks, they're, let's reset that a minute. Although they're very slim, like I say, ideal for EDC, they're actually very usable. I mean, I really like my thumb picks and stuff, like finger picks that I make. Something nice and small. You don't need massive handles. I mean, you certainly don't want to be carrying around like a whole custom pick set with massive handles. So, I mean, these, there you go, and we're in. These just, they do the job. They're actually, yeah, really easy to use. And I'm actually really impressed. So, like I say, sorry, I'm fucking all over the place at the moment. Check out Lambda2 on Instagram. He has got a shop. I think this is, was his business record, certificate of authenticity, blah blah blah. No. So Lambda2. Yeah, sorry for all the waffling. Yeah, my head's all over the place at the moment. And yeah, so check him out. Send him a message if you like what you see. They are very, very usable and very well made. Got this really nice satiny sort of finish on them. Maybe even slightly like glass bead blasted or something. Very, very usable. So I highly recommend them. And check him out. Anyway, thank you very much, and see you soon.